Kedamtang aruni phaing ko rapli bhomkuruani Longmir Jeng College Principal Dr. Bibison Rongpi Innovative Principal of the Year anong e Bangalore Hawaralong kedo Park in Seats by Redition po Adimalong pi Pajirponlo. Alang lebang so kedamtang surini rahing ko rap ho aningkan Padmasri anong e kelong pon abang pi Dr. Vijaya Laxmi Dasmani arideng pensi Pajirpon. Kedamtang aruni phai ingko rapliar ni Bangalore Hawar Park in and Suits by Reditions po adim along ke padupon Global Education Brilliance Award surhini raing ko trok paman ponlo. Bangsohut Longmir Jeng College Principal Dr. Bibison Rongpi Innovative Principal of the Year anong AP Pajerpon. Pinpur me Dr. Bibison Rongpi Inut College along Principal amithang asai chiklem pami anparta toklang amonat project asai ke klempon tek abangphu la sojoksi Dr. Rongpi asang ho phanda pusona nong e pi pajirponlo jesemet toklang amonat ke jalin pon tek lapen kiduk det loke chaliaw samara tuma phan loke than RD pipen ke paprang pon tek asai ke klempon abangphu Dr. Bibison Rongpi henlo alang lilabang sonong epen anpara Best Young Principal of the Year surhini raing correct Tom lapen honoris causa doctorate degree ta chepalong pontang abang phulo. Alang like chokyola vive rongpi arong along kedo Karlitang Chandra Singh Rongpi pen kave rong pharpi asopo akibilo. Alang li chokyola English School pen silo ke charli pangcheng ponlo UKG pen Cap Angdeng an Assumption High School chokyola along charlilo. Bang so pen api kohini angdeng ke BSc degree angdeng an Tejpur Darang College along pensi cepa undunlo lapen masters angdeng Assam University Difu campus pensi cepa unponlo la det pen api Difu B.Ed College pen B.Ed angdeng setame ce upa unponthulo lapen Dr. Bibison Rongpi kedamtang surhini ra kretroksi aningkan Assam University Difu campus along Assam University Difu campus Students Union along Kongchun bang ar pusitame ki khitang abang phulo alang li Difu St. Mary's High School along ningkanisi an thanbang asai sitami ke klemdon tang abang phulo lapen la so pen api dipu along kedo DST Junior College along ningkan hini an principal ar pusitami ke khitang abang phu iglo lapen thu labang so pen api kedam tang surihini ra inkore sia ningkan pen pini mate pining sengkan an Longmir Jeng College along principal ar pu khibomlo alang li toklang amuanat RD ki pipo na jo kep angdeng loke charliaw somara tuma phan pining pen anke ningkan kri sihini mate ningkan kri hinian bak dokai an ake joy pen lo thanpon lo adun thu CUET UG asat lang phan ningkan hini ke thom lo ake joy pen ke than la pen GNM nursing asat lang phan ningkan hini an ake joy pen loke thanpon tang abang phulo alang likhe.
Good morning to one and all present here. Respected all the deputies, awardees, organizers, and everyone present here. Myself, Dr. Bibison Rongpi, the principal of Longmir College. The college that is located in Tibet, that is located in the beautiful hill district of Karlitang, within the state of Assam. Well, it's for the first time to be here in Bangalore. And I'm sure because of this award ceremony, thanks to the organizer for having me here, and I'm extremely delighted to be part of this event. Thank you.
La sila puson anong e kelong pon abang ke karbi ang long aphan lapen karbia khaya phan setami ke thedung anong Messi e kewan pilo. News report Karbing Long Live.